Hello, my name is Annie Nguyen along with Team 1, and we are here today to present Habit Fund. The key to build long-term wealth is building sustainable habits that allow you to retain more of what you earn. Habit Fund assists you on your wealth-building journey by giving positive reinforcement based on your geolocation and frames spending consequences in a way that makes spending a thoughtful action. Habit Fund automates budgeting and keep users focused on their goal with its trusted lifestyle platform.
The four corners of the broad tech market include the efficient user, the educated user, the frugal user, and the struggling user. The closer each user is to their respective corners, the more rooted in only their top priority they are, and less interested in changing their habits both ethically and financially. That's why our target demographic market is every user in between, the behaviorally constrained, stable professional. Habit Fund will benefit these users in multiple ways. While other fintech apps try to help users be the next Warren Buffett or Mother Teresa, our app resonates with the current trends for holistic well-being by nudging for simultaneously ethical and financially beneficial decisions. Our main features like Resource Navigator and Invest This Instead are inspired by the shared experiences that life will never be a straight line, and we are ready to pivot nudges with each user and empower them to grow their own Habit Fund. Now, with a grasp on how Habit Fund will serve the target market, we look inward at how we function as a business. All you, Bradley.
This graphic outlines the strategic DNA of Habit Fund. Our core innovation is stated right at the top. We shift from selling financial information to selling proven ethical behavioral intervention. We guarantee alignment by having our primary revenue, our performance-based profit model, come from partners who pay us only when their customers succeed. Our operations are split, routine functions are outsourced to keep costs low, but our core process is proprietary. This is where our behavioral nudge algorithm lives, which determines the precise, timely intervention for each user. This is coupled with our core offering, the nudging system itself, which provides simple, low-effort, one-click actions for saving or paying debt. Crucially, our brand is built on ethical trust. Every nudge we send must pass a behavioral safety review layer to ensure it's aligned with the user's goals, not the bank's profit. This prevents manipulation and builds long-term loyalty. Finally, our delivery ensures we serve all users regardless of their stability. The mobile app is our primary channel. If a user faces a major financial crisis like job loss, our system performs a strategic pivot. It automatically transitions them away from behavioral nudges to the Resource Navigator network, a key part of our networking, which connects them to human, nonprofit counselors. This ensures our value remains consistent even when the problem goes beyond simple behavior.
Okay, now we come to the business roadmap. So Habit Fund will primarily drive revenue through partnerships with employers that include the application in their employee wellness programs. And as the company matures, there will be opportunities to monetize the data collected by the application and to provide additional services to partners. So in the short term, the goal is to improve behavioral impact and institutional viability. And this is going to happen by creating a minimum viable product with core behavioral features, finding pilot partnerships with banks, credit unions, and employers to validate performance-based payouts tied to savings and debt reduction, and to establish public trust through transparency, compliance, and clear outcome metrics. In the midterm, the goal is to scale adoption and recurring institutional revenue. To do that, we will expand partnerships across multiple financial institutions and employer wellness programs. We will enhance the behavioral algorithms using aggregated anonymized data to improve personalization and outcomes. We will introduce tiered enterprise price basing on performance outcomes and user cohort sizes. In the long term, the goal is to become the industry standard for ethical financial behavior change. We're going to evolve it from a single app into an entire platform with a suite of applications behind it. We will monetize the analytics and the data we create, as well as insights for our partners. And we'll build defensibility through network effects, legal strategy, and regulatory trust positioning to ensure that nothing can take away from our platform and take us down.